Well, we've come to CWC to see the lights, because Mel looked on Facebook and she saw lots of lights. And we've come here, and as far as I can see, there's nothing. It's a beautiful evening, it's really warm, there's plenty of people here. Now, we went into E-Mall today because we took the two officers and the old gentleman in to have something to eat before we took him home after he'd had his x-ray and we got his medication. And they're asking for vaccination certificates to go in there now. I think it's going to be the norm soon. I hope not. I hope all this ends soon, but you just don't know. Let's just have a look up here. I'll just have a look up here about a minute. See if there's anything over here. This is where Mel brought me when I first met her for a picnic. And I couldn't get a word out of her. She just kept smiling and looking really shy. Look at that, it looked lovely.
There's no shark there. Sophia scared. There's a shark.
There's no shark, silly. Well, even if there's a shark, how's it going to come here? Huh? Yeah, I don't know.
There's a sunset.
The water's gone down a lot. It was really quite high, wasn't it?
Yeah. Sunset.
Yeah, no, it's lovely, isn't it? So there's lots of people coming at picnics. Now you can bring food to here, but you can't take food in there where the pool is and stuff. You've got to buy it. I might treat myself to a San Meg if my wife will let me, because I was supposed to not drink anymore, but I really feel like a cold beer. Just the one. So let's go and have a look over there, Mel. See, if you go through that bit, you've got to do the tracking. But if you go around there, you miss all that out. I don't know. I mean, I bet either now or at some point, if you sit down to eat, you'll have to have a vaccine certificate, I'm guessing. I don't know, I'm just guessing. But I love coming here, it's so relaxing. Especially sitting over there watching them waterboarding, whatever it's called. Wakeboarding, not waterboarding. That's naughty, isn't it? I'd like to have a go at that, but I'd probably end up hitting one of those ramps and breaking my legs, or worse.
Yay.
Wow.
Mommy, this is Sunday.
Come here.
Mommy, this is Sunday.
Oh, I'm disappointed.
Give me your mask. Give me your mask.
The lights Mel showed me the other day were beautiful. We wanted to come nearer dark so we could see the lights, bring the kids to see the lights.
You can ask.
There didn't seem to be any.
Maybe on the other side or place. I showed that to you. It's nice, right?
Yeah. Well, I wouldn't put them up and take them down, Mel, so what's happened?
Maybe not here on the other place.
Looks like somebody's come off, Mel. Now, before the pandemic, there's loads of foreigners here. You couldn't move for foreigners. But since the pandemic, I think last time we come we saw two foreigners. I don't know where they were from. We didn't, get get into conversation. So you've got some people, most people wear masks, some people not. So I don't know if anything's changed, but you used to have to walk through there, show them your tracking. Now the last typhoon, this got really damaged here, the restaurant bit. These are growing ever so quick. The last time we come, which was a long time, they're just little. Oh, it's over there.
Convention. Maybe.
Oh, is it?
Do you remember that I showed?
Yeah,
I
when we were
showed
coming in, where all them people, cars and
Yeah.
tent things are. Probably there. We'll have to go and have a look there. Then. That dog. That takes some upkeep, keeping that fur nice like that.
Mom, there's a shirt there.
There's no fight.
So there's plenty of San Migs out there, look. Oh, a bit close to my face there. There's plenty of San Migs. There's plenty of people here. It's a weekday, it's not weekend. There's plenty of people here. Let's have a look at the pool.
Daddy, look.
Yes, I know, swimming pool. Very deep, don't go to the edge, okay? There's not a shark in the pool. Why would there be a shark in the swimming pool, you monkey? Look at that. Beautifully clean. Very nice. Say that they haven't repaired any of them huts, but they all got damaged by the typhoon. Look, they're still unusable by the looks of it. It's a shame, real shame. So they've changed this bit where there's a bar all the way around now. This wasn't there before. So that's new. So you can just go up to the bar from the tables and order your San Mig, your Red Horse, your food. You can have a game of pool if you want. This is new. Anyway, I better not video the toilets, they'll think I'm a peeping Thomas. Mel says, come on, sit down. We're going to eat. We're going to have pizza. I said, oh, you treating? Of course. Huh? What?
Smash the table.
Oh, just get somebody to come and tidy it, my
Maybe
dear.
they're gonna go now.
I don't think so. Use the other table. I like sitting here, you see, because we can watch them, because normally they go up these obstacle thingy-maggies. Can you remember that's where Theo went and turned the water on? Get off, get off. There you go. Who's your hero? I'll be your hero tonight. Let's have a seat. Oh. Now, it's not a lovely view. Look at that. Yeah, there's dogs. Don't go over there. A bite. See, now in the UK and some parts of the States, most parts of the States, I guess, it's winter, so be very cold. I know it is in the UK. But here, you could jump in that water and it won't take your breath away.
Transfer the running. It's not far.
Transfer where?
There.
Alright.
Oi! Shh, come now.
I'd hurry up before somebody has the same idea, Mel.
Paano tatawag na lang kami doon? Hindi lang Thank you. Oh, paano
Yeah, it's better.
You go to daddy, Matia. You go to daddy. You go to daddy. You will take picture. You go to daddy, Matthew.
Okay, boys. What's your wet, Mom?
Don't touch.
What's your wet?
Sorry.
So this time I brought a spare battery because I've got 3 batteries and 2 of them, they don't, for some reason they don't last that long, and one of the batteries does, and I've obviously put a battery in that doesn't last long. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Mel sent our kids off to end up in the water. There's a couple of birds nesting up there. I love this place, it's so relaxing.
Yeah. Especially during night.
Yeah,
Especially during night.
that's what I said, yes. We need to find them lights, Mel. Are they over there? Look, can you see? Can you see them there? Straight through. Can you see them yellow lights? Look.
I will ask you when you come back.
We've got to find them before we go because it looked beautiful on
That's the reason
Facebook.
why we come here, right?
Yeah, we thought it was here though, guys, and it's not. But it's still nice, even if we didn't see the lights. Really, really nice. Mel started wearing pants, proper jeans. I've got 3 pairs of jeans and not one of them fits me anymore because I'm that big. I'm sad. I've put on so much weight. It's outrageous. But I'm nearly 61. I've got an excuse now to get pot-bellied. Mel keeps saying, "It's okay, I still love you." I don't know why. I don't know how a young ladies can go with this old man. I just don't know. And it only seems to be the Philippines, unless you can tell me different. Because I know it's not easy to get a girl in like Vietnam and stuff because it's all a different culture. There's only like Thailand. And look, I've never been to Thailand, but all the research I did and people who sent me messages that they were with Thai women said And now with Filipinas said the Filipinas are the better ones. But I'm sure there'll be somebody disagree with me. And again, I'm no expert, I don't know. So I'd come round, I'd be wobbling like anything, and then I'd probably hit one of those ramps. Oh my god, that was close. So we're waiting for our food. Mel's ordered some food and ordered me a sandwich. Gonna have a sandwich.
What?
Sandwich light.
Mateo, come here. What to say?
I don't even know if you can
to
see
say?
anything that clear.
I don't want pizza.
You want pizza?
Yes.
What do you mean you want? Can't you just say, I would like pizza, Daddy?
I like pizza.
I know you like pizza, yes. Yes, we'll get you pizza. I'm trying to teach them to ask nicely, because if they're doing it with us, they're going to do it with other people and not say, I want. I want them to be polite. They're good kids though. Playful. They're both as happy as Larry. Him even more so. Yes, I know. She gets very moody when she's hungry. Hungry.
I did not eat lunch. I did not eat breakfast. Oh my god. Because if I'm not feel hungry, I did not eat. I only eat when I feel hungry.
And she's saying when she's tired. If she's tired, she's moody. If you try to wake her up in the morning, she didn't want to get up. She's moody. I'm moody all the time, so you can never tell the difference with me. No, I'm only joking. Yeah, TikTok, go. Hey. Oh, wow. Wow.
Sama-sama lamig. You come here, Pia. You come here. Sama-sama lamig. Oh my god. Pia, one more. Sama-sama lamig.
I don't think they can see very
Sama-sama
well.
lamig.
Look at it now, guys. And that's where the lights are. Look, over there. Can you see them? Yeah, you can see them because I can see on the screen. So when we're finished here, we're going to go over there. I'm not sure about the video because I can hear music. There's lots of tents there. If it's where we think it is, it looks like you might have to pay to get in, and there's lots of people selling things, I guess. But we'll see. Our food's taking a long time to come. Mel's about ready to eat the kids, aren't you, Mel? See, she's all quiet and she looks sleepy because she's hungry. Never come between a Filipina and her food or her sleep.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share
Get our videos! Yay! Bye-bye!
Merry Christmas, guys. Bye-bye.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry